Alright, so this is the noise it's making. The chain looks fine. I oil it or grease it up probably around 200-300 miles, every 200-300 miles, so the chain should be fine. I checked all the O-rings are good. It's about, that's the play, it's in neutral right now, it's the play in it, so it's not tight, but it's not loose. But it just keeps making this grinding rotational noise almost, it's weird. I'm just freehanding spinning the tire right now. So I can't tell if it's like the sprocket. Like the sprocket looks alright. I don't know how well you can see it, but the sprocket looks okay. You can kind of hear it clicking, but I can't tell if it's coming from like the chain in the from the front sprocket or if it's coming from inside like the gearbox. It almost sounds like it's coming from inside the gearbox, but I can't really tell. I don't know what you guys think.